Hey guys, I have a very fun video today. So I have a package here from Couture and this is my first time ordering from Couture. I went ahead and ordered one of their scoops. So I'm going to open it right now here with you and I'm going to see if it's worth it or not. Okay, so this is how the box looks inside of the bubble mailer, and this is what it says. It says enailcouture.com, and then we did have a little file that was outside of the box. So this is a 120 file. And I'm going to hang on to that for myself. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the box. This is kind of fun for me. So this is like, I'm ordering this as just a fun nail thing for myself, not kind of for my nail business. Like I might use it for my nail business, but this isn't something that I put in. Like every month I order builder gel and I order this top coat and base coat and stuff. So this is like a fun thing for me. So yeah, so I was really excited to get this. I ordered this, obviously I'm from outside the US, so it was €15 for this, which was such a good deal. No shipping charge, anything like that. And I did have to pay €10 when it got into Ireland, which was customs, but this is still a bargain. It was €25 altogether. So just to get straight into it, this is the first thing that I pulled out of the box. This is their Happy Gel, which is their poly gel. So very excited to see that because I most recently started to play around with polygel. And then I picked up this little box of treats right here. So this seems to be a mixed bag of little caviar beads, gold alloys, stones and bits and pieces like that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Even the stones, you can see the little opal stones there. They just look very unique, so I can't wait to play around with this. And I'm also debating, should I keep everything in this box? Probably should. I think it'd be too hard to separate them out. Let me know if you got these boxes before, what you did. So then I did pull out this next box, which is very similar to the first one, but a little bit different. The bits in it are a little bit different. We have red stones, but even the little gold pieces are slightly different. And we've pearls. So again, very cute. And I think it'd be a nice little pick and mix box to make a little set with. If you are wondering what to do when you want a bit of bling, just pick up one of those boxes and you can just kind of make a fun little nail design. Next up, we have a liner gel, and these are, again, very happy to have liner gels. They're always so handy to have. This is what looks like a very thick gel. When I opened it first, I did think this is so thick looking. Not in a bad way. The colour consistency is fine. I swatch everything later, so just stay tuned till the end of the video because I swatch absolutely everything that's in here. And yeah, this is another liner gel. It's more of a pastel. It looks like a really fun minty green. Perfect for this time of the year, actually. So yeah, I'm just so excited to have some of these products because I've seen so many of them, but I just never put in an order. And yeah, so excited to get this scoop. So next up we have a little bottle of Pink Magic Fast Dry Monomer, and I am mostly a gel girly, but you never know, I could play around with acrylic one day, so I think I'll hang on to this. And it smells amazing, by the way. I thought monomer was supposed to smell bad. That one smells so good. And then we have this little lamp. So this is the cutest little flashier lamp that I've ever seen. It needs, I think, 3 batteries, so I'm going to put batteries in that and start using it. But it's such a little handy lamp. It's just for curing nail art or gel X, little things like that. That is so cute. Next up, we have these shiny star top coats. So these are top coats that have little glitter pieces in them. This first one is Pluto, and it has some black glitter and little small bits of iridescent glitter as well. And as you can see, the bottles are jam packed. They are just so full of product. Then we have another shiny star top coat, and this one is Neptune. So this one then has some iridescent glitter, I would say, mostly confetti pieces, fine pieces of glitter, little mixed pieces of glitter. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I swatched them at the end, so I'm just not going to spend too long on them here. I'm just pulling them out of the bottle just to show you, but they are so cute. And they have all the ingredients and stuff at the back and all that good stuff. And they're decent sized bottles as well. Next up, we're going to pull out this one. So this one is Mercury, and this is kind of like I think it's like a little silver glitter one. And then we have these. I did not know what these were at all. So they say Festival Colour Inks. And I think correct me if I'm wrong, they could be watercolour inks. I'm not sure at all. I've never seen anything like this, but if you know what these are in the comments, please let me know, or if you have any tips on how to use them, because the colours of them do look gorgeous. So they could be a nice little hack to have. And then we have another one of those top coats. So this is Mars. So this one is a gorgeous, look at this. It's like flaky, iridescent, opaly goodness. This is probably my favourite one, to be honest with you. This is one of those ones you could use on rose quartz nails, anything like that. Just absolutely gorgeous, subtly gorgeous, but so nice. And then we have this bubblegum gel, so in the shade Ivory. So this is such a cute little pot. The packaging on these products are so eye-catching as well, and they just stand out. You do know when you see this packaging, even when I see it on other people's videos and stuff, straight away you can notice the packaging. It just stands out. Very, very unique. And I just opened it to see what it was, and it's that kind of hard, like non-stick gel. It's just, I think it's probably used to apply the 1, 2, 3 go nails. I'm not sure. Again, if you can let me know, that would be great. And here we have some of these 1, 2, 3 go gel press-ons. So these are his like version of his Gel X, I think. And yeah, this is absolutely, I can't wait to try this shape. So these are oval, but I would call them more like almond in my opinion. I think they're more almond in my opinion, but they look gorgeous. I'd say they're kind of a medium length as well. We also have this glue, which the packaging looks a little bit dodged, so I probably won't use this on anyone but myself, just because the packaging looks a bit beat up. Now it looks fine inside the bottle, but yeah, I might just keep this one for myself. But I cannot wait to try those tips, lads. And yeah, when I pulled out these as well, first thing I thought was, ooh, no, I won't ever use these. They're too pink. But my eyes kind of deceived me, because when you take it out of the packet then, it's just because there's so many of them. They're all packed in together like little sardines. They look really, really pink, like the French part looks really pink. But then when you take it out, it looks absolutely fine. Look at that. It just looks like a normal transparent, sheer pink. Not transparent, sheer enough pink, like a French pink. Like, look at it there. So yeah, my instinct was like no, and then when I took them out, I was like, oh, okay. And this would be like a stiletto shape, and just the shape and the feel of these press-ons, they feel so, so good. So I can't wait to try them. Then we have this little brush. Well, I thought was a little brush. I thought this was just a little liner brush, but on closer inspection it looks like it's a little magnet, and I did try it with that little box of goodies off camera, and it does kind of pick up the caviar beads and stuff. It's like a little magnet for caviar beads, so that'll be handy to have. We also have these little stickers. These were the last things at the end of the box, and we have 2 sheets of the same, which are abstract, and then we have these gold moons and stars and things. So definitely a few of those little hearts and stuff are super cute. I would use a lot of these. So that is the box, and I'm going to let you watch the swatches now. Okay, so we're back and we're going to do some swatches, and I've decided to go in and just paint a coat of Nail Reserve LA's Baby Rose on 4 swatch sticks, just because it's this gorgeous baby pink colour, and I think it'll really show up the top coats. So yeah, so I'm just going to start with this one. So this is Neptune. So I'm so excited to see these. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm way out of focus, sorry. First impressions, look at the glitter. Look at how jam-packed that is. Like, I went on there and I actually put way too much on, because that is, oh wow. Let me know if any of you have these top coats, and let me know your opinions on them. Are they good? Are they long lasting? Any problems with shipping or anything like that? And also let me know which one is your fave. That is gorgeous. I just want to, okay. Yeah, it's not sticky. It's not a sticky one. We have Mercury, and these are all 12 ml bottles. And this one is, okay, this is just the
silver, what I would say is silver glitter. The bottles are jam-packed as well, because as soon as you lift out the, you know, you can tell from the brush there, like that's packed with glitter and polish. So yeah, I'm definitely impressed with how much are in the bottles. So look, you can see, can you see, like it's just below the neck there. So that's why it's kind of getting caught when you pull it out, but that's okay. We can deal with that. That just means there's loads of product in the bottles. I don't mind that so much, because once you start to use it, you won't have that problem of it, you know, just catching a little bit. But this is so gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay, so like a little bit goes a long way again. Yeah, look at that. So again, I'm just showing you over. I just thought that the baby pink would be such a good colour to put these over, because we can put the black one over it as well. So this is Mars. Oh, I forgot about this one. This one is the Aurora top coat. And I do have an Aurora top coat, but I don't have it in a bottle. I have it in a pot. So very, very happy to have it in a bottle now. Yeah, I can just smooth it out there. I'm just looking at it from the side as well. Like it doesn't get lumpy and bumpy either, you know, it's quite self-leveling. And then the last one I think is Pluto. So I think this is the black one. So I'm really excited to see this, because I was actually going to order something very similar to this from another brand very recently actually. I've been starting to order a bit from Clarissa, and if you've been following my hauls, I was going to order a top coat that was quite like this, except for it comes out matte. I think this one is shiny. The interesting thing with this is I can see different bits of glitter reflex in this as well. It's not just the black, you can see the glitter in the top coat. So I'm excited for this one. This might be fun around Easter actually. People like getting a little bit speckly around Easter. I'm just going to pull it up here. So again, that's what that top coat looks like. You can kind of see, I hope you can see the little glitter reflex there. There's not many of them, but they just do enough to make it glitter a tiny bit. Okay, so these are the 4 top coats from left to right. We have Neptune, Mercury, Mars and Pluto. And that's them in all their glory. They're no wipe. So yeah, I think they're all gorgeous. I'm really happy to have these. I really, really genuinely am. It's worth it. The mystery box is worth it for those top coats alone, to be fair. I would have spent what I spent on the whole box, I would have spent buying 2 of those top coats in any other brand, you know, so definitely worth it for them. So this one is 008 and this is a liner gel. It's always fun to have a liner gel. I'll never say no to a liner gel. Just wondering, will I just paint the whole lot of it so that I know? And it does say 1 coat coverage for these liner gels, and I can tell it is going to be 1 coat. So if you are using this for nail art or anything like that, it's definitely going to be 1 coat, because it's going on here in 1 coat and it's opaque. It's perfectly opaque, so yeah. And then I'm going to take out 020, which is the other one, which is kind of, it looks like a pastel. So we'll see how this goes on. Again, there seems to be loads of gel in the bottle of these. This is really opaque as well, especially for a pastel. They usually are notoriously a little bit tricky. So that's 020. Will I swatch this polygel? I might, 'cause I'm just curious to know what it feels like, what the texture is like, so I think I will. I'm going to just see how this goes. As we all know, I'm not brilliant with polygel, but I'm just going to squeeze some of this on and see how it goes. Will it go back into the tube? Looks like it is. Okay. First impressions, that feels lovely. That feels, I've only ever tried Nail Reserve's polygel, and this one feels a little bit softer. I feel like it feels a little bit easier to work with. Love that colour. Wow. Love it.
So this is the swatches of all those gel products that I got in that box, and I am more than happy with my little haul of these things now. They're so cute, and I would use all of these, to be honest. So this is just an overview of everything I got again in that box. Let me know what you think. Do you order these scoops often? I definitely would order again. I would probably just keep an eye to see if there's any new things in the scoops, just in case. But I absolutely love what I got here. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one.